So we are at the monkey forest in Ubud, Bali, and there's actually multiple monkey forests, but we've been to this one, so we're gonna go again, a little more prepared, and we're gonna give you guys some insight and history. It is a special request from one of our followers, our favorite followers. So when you come in, depending if you take a car or a motorbike, you'll come in, you'll get a ticket and park, and the earlier you come, the less busy it is, and then it just kind of gets, and the weather is actually better there too. But here is Monkey Forest entrance, because I know the first time we came here we were kind of confused. Yep, You're
probably wondering why I'm not talking. I'm in monkey mode now. Monkeys don't talk. Fun fact.
Yeah. And so you go over here. Don't trip. But you go over here to pay for your ticket to get in. As you can see, it's getting busier. And it opens at 9 o'clock in the morning. We got ourselves some sorbet, a lot of sorbet apparently. Health and safety, and we want to make sure we're getting everything we need for hydration. And hi.
Hi.
So my lovely fiance over here insisted we get coconut because he cares about my hydration. And we sweat a lot here, and you have to have this. And it's called
It said gelato. Sorbet. It says sorbet, which I love sorbet.
What flavor?
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. All right, we are about to go into the monkey forest, and this was a special request by our favorite follower subscriber named Alicia. So stay tuned.
Monkey forest.
Monkey forest.
Let's do it.
Stay tuned, we're gonna enter. Okay, we are on our way to enter. So we got our tickets crumbled up. And then they have a snake. And then they have green water and jungle everywhere. But there's so much detail. If you go too fast, you won't see it. That's my fiance being extra. I guess we're both extra. So you just follow the path, and no monkey yet.
I heard if you walk like this, it makes you. They bow down basically.
Yeah. Very beautiful right now, huh?
Yes.
Oh, we saw our first monkey.
Where?
On the chair over here. You usually can find monkeys by following people who are videotaping. When people are videotaping, there's likely monkey activity. And he likes to pose. This one's named Thomas.
That thing is huge.
Thomas. This is Thomas, the monkey poser. So this is our monkey friend named Thomas. He is the first monkey to greet you when you come in. The Duragama cave. I actually missed this last time. So fun fact, when we were here last time, we were going so fast because they were about to close.
Yes.
And so we didn't have a lot of time to see the monkeys and read the history.
We didn't have enough time to stop and soak it up.
Yes. So I'm excited about not hurrying.
Okay. Do you think we should go inside this cave?
Okay. The monkeys like boob. So we're going to enter the cave here. In the entrance of the cave, we have one of the goddesses that is represented to try to harvest her power. And it's also to welcome forests and other gods and goddesses. Very dark in here. So like again, it's easy to just walk by really quickly, but there's a lot of good interesting murals in here, like this one over here. This is Goddess Durba, and she's harvesting her power of strength, and I think they call it Shurva, and so that's her. There is actually the like town city, so it kind of runs through the forest, and the forest is right next to it. And there's a pathway you could walk on to go under that way. So when you go in the monkey forest, you're gonna have to make sure you soup up, get all attached, have a boyfriend to carry everything is very helpful. What do you say?
Essentially.
The trees are just gorgeous. Beautiful trees. So we got little monkey family here. What's this monkey doing? He's eating some food. Yum yum. It looks like corn, right?
Cassava.
Cassava.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's probably that. It's like a potato.
But that might be corn though. But let's.
They kind of camouflage and. Okay, so you can go to Bali and do the monkey forest, like so super cash. You can hire a tour guide, or you could do a little bit of both. So in this area they have where you can pay to sit with one of the monkeys. I'm assuming a pretty trained one maybe, and they'll give you food and help you pose with the monkey. I'm short, so it makes it a little hard. There. So you can pay to do it in a safer way and get like
which we don't do it that way.
Feeding.
So do a shimmer.
So you can see here that they're gonna pay, so you could do it in a very safe way. It can be intimidating to come and you hear like people talk about the monkeys being bad. I haven't had a personal experience other than one trying to get my vodka. This one has a baby on it.
Just another day at the Monkey Forest Ubud.
Animals, just like monkeys, bite too, like as humans. He broke in and he got what he wanted. At around 4 to 5 years of age, while females mature between 3 to 5 years, very similar to humans. Female monkeys usually experience their first menstruation at 2 to 3 years old, with a cycle lasting 28 to 31 days and a menstrual period 2 to 7, very similar again to us. Females have a
Not hot. Greetings. That's my homie. That's my other homie.
See, the thing is, you don't make eye contact with them. And you don't show fear at all.
Just a little bit.
No fear. So last time we were here, they were actually doing a cremation ceremony behind us. As you can see, there's lots of space, but they had the big fire going and they had all like worshiping and praying, and it was very festive. Flowers, they were all dressed very nicely. And if you go right over here, you'll actually see where they bury people until it's time to do their ceremony. And we will have a look at the actual temple. But as you can see, these people are buried and they have the date of when, I don't know if it's when they passed or when they need to be, when they pass. So they kind of know how long they've been in the ground for, because they don't stay in the ground, they do a cremation. Fun fact. So let me read you some facts about it. Kura Prajapati Temple, well known as cremation temple. So it's an actual cremation temple. In this temple, Balinese Hindus do the worship to God in the personification of Brahma Prajapati. And Praja means ruler, Pati means soul. Prajapati is ruler of the soul, and Balinese Hindu tradition believe that the people who are buried in this cemetery, their soul are protected and controlled by God until the ceremony happens, the creation ceremony. Furthermore, cremation temple has important relationship with cremation ceremony. So if you do come in here, as you can see, you must be dressed a certain way and be respectful. So we're gonna just kind of go around the corner and peek a little bit. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at these. And see all the details right here. Just so many details and everything. It's almost like there's so much if you don't slow down and pay attention, you'll miss it.
My love of my life, my fiance, she always points out. What am I doing up here?
Who is gonna win? It's a little swing that you can have, and there's monkeys all around, and you just have to be really confident and not scared, and then they won't attack you. See how the little girl's not scared?
Yeah.
See? Oh, as soon as she was scared. But
See, look,
the
this how this one
mamas
is
are
in.
the mamas are very protective. They don't care what you are, who you are, they're get away. As moms, we understand each other. You know, we just understand each other. It's the vibe. Huh, Mom? Right?
Slick, slick.
La vedi come sta combinata?
Oh shit. Careful. Careful. Chin. Behind you. I think you're slick. You know? That's what I thought. That's too sexual. But say something though. Tell me that. Look at the vines. I'm looking.
Okay. Well, what do you think? You be my Tarzan? What would I be, Jane?
You'd be Mary Jane.
Be swinging on the vines all day. I like it.
Yeah, you guys eat that. I'm just gonna go this way. Some real stuff. Okay, I'll just go this way then. That's what you get for eating this popcorn.